Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Swagg with Rupali और मैं हूँ आपकी रूपाली. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be recreating this look, and this is a simple look with pink lips, and the specialty of this look is I have created this using just my fingers. I have not used any makeup brush or makeup tools to create this look. So this is a challenge video which I am doing with other two very cute YouTubers. The first one is Annu from Annu's Planet. You must go and check out her videos. She's great. And the second one is Himani from Grab and Groom. She's a sweetheart and you must go and check out both of their channels and subscribe too. The link will be provided in the description box below.
मैं हूं अनु और मेरे चैनल का नाम है अनूस प्लैनेट। अगर आपको पसंद है DIYs देखना या फिर सीखना या फिर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स या फिर अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में जानना, तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो। और जैसे कि आप ये लुक देख रहे हो, ये मैंने विदाउट मेकअप ब्रशेस यूज़ करके या फिर कोई भी टूल यूज़ करके क्रिएट करा है। सो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो इसे देखने के लिए तो आपको नीचे लिंक मिलेगा, आप वहाँ से डायरेक्ट मेरे चैनल पे ये वीडियो देख सकोगे।
It's me Himani from Grab and Groom. So जो ये वीडियो आप देखने वाले हैं वो एक चैलेंज वीडियो है एंड कोलैबोरेशन वीडियो भी है, जो कि मैंने स्वैग विद रूपाली एंड अनूस प्लानेट के साथ मिलके किया है। और ये चैलेंज ये है कि हमें अपना फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप करना है विदाउट यूजिंग एनी टूल्स। सो देखने के लिए आप इस वीडियो में बने रहें, और हाँ, मेक श्योर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरे चैनल का लिंक जरूर चेक करेंगे एंड मुझे सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करेंगे मेरे चैनल को। सो बाय।
So guys, don't forget to check out their channels and subscribe to their channels, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't still, and also to press the notification bell so that you always stay notified. So guys, this video will be extremely useful for beginners or who are new to makeup. And as you can see, you always don't need expensive brushes or makeup tools to create good looks. You can achieve good looks by just using your fingers also. Just you need to know some certain tricks. So now, without further delay, let's move on to the video. I'm going to start off by using my Lakme 95cc cream in the shade Bronze. It's a very good one for summer seasons as it's very light and also gives a sheer coverage, and I love using it. I am patting it on my face and not dragging it so that it gives the maximum coverage. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Coloressence concealer stick in my under eye areas, and I am applying it with my ring finger. I am also covering any dark spots with the same concealer and applying it just by patting the concealer onto my skin. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nelf USA compact powder in the shade 02. Next, I'll start with my eye makeup. So I'll do a very simple everyday eye look today. For that, I'm taking Lakme Kajal and lining my upper lash line very messily, and then just smudging it out with my finger. But it should be much below your crease, otherwise it will look like you got punched on your face. Next, I'm taking this shimmery shade from my Sivanna Makeup Academy palette, and I'm gonna take the shade and pat it on my eyelid very gently. Now I'm gonna line my lower waterline with Lakme Iconic Kajal. We'll also tighten my upper waterline and lash line with the same kajal, and then we'll smudge the kajal in the lower waterline with the tip of my finger for that smoked out effect. Next, I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara in both lower and upper lashes. Next for blush, I am gonna use the shade 06 from Blue Heaven. I am taking it in my 2 fingers and just patting it on my cheeks with very light press. Blush without a brush was a little bit tricky, but you will get it right if you go very light with it. Now for highlighter, I am using this shimmery shade from my Sivanna palette and highlighting the usual high points of my face. Also highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, I am using my pinky finger. For my lips, I am applying this beautiful shade, and the shade is S16 from Swiss Beauty Matte Me. So guys, this is the final look that I have created today, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and found it useful, and if you liked the video, please do put a big thumbs up and also like, comment and share with your family and friends, and also to subscribe to my channel if you still did not. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.